Building. Sorry, it might or might not. There we go. That's a hairball right there.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
And, it's been closed since yesterday. We put so much stuff in there.
Okay.
Now, is there a trap there? Because I don't seem to see a trap.
Yeah, right there.
Where?
There's the trap right there. That's your P-trap.
Oh, shoot, because we couldn't figure that one out because it seems to be sealed. Don't pull everything out. You did.
It keeps leaking, does it? I can see some puffiness right there.
Yeah, you know why? Yeah, because with punching and everything, probably came loose. And when we threw that acid stuff in there.
Yeah. Oh, Drano?
No. They're from the plumbing, please. And also the buster. Anyway.
Because this pipe looks all brand new.
It is brand new. I just finished telling you a year and a half ago.
A year and a half
I just
ago.
couldn't figure out the trap.
Yeah.
He's out of town. He's probably hunting or something, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
And is there a suite downstairs? Tenants downstairs or no?
Yes, there is.
Okay. Is theirs backing up or is it just yours?
Just this one over here.
Just this one. Okay. Good. Okay.
The shower. Is it in the shower?
The shower is backing up?
No, it's not. When it dripped down, it just... There's a plug somewhere in the back there. I know that. In the back of the wall.
Okay.
Hey, stop. That's him. Okay, what did you do now? I will. One at a time, please. Oh, here they are. Everybody likes Rice Krispies. Okay. Let's close this. Yes, everybody likes Rice Krispies, please. You can. You know you'll get that. I don't know what you gotta get, but...
So I know what's after happening here, so...
Say again?
One sec.
I got a flashlight if you need, eh?
No, it's okay. I just don't know why this...
How much water?
See, this shouldn't be glued that tight at all, so what's after
That's
happening?
what I'm saying, see?
That's what's after happening here. So when he glued all this together, a piece of glue came down the back of this. Okay?
I don't know.
Right, look, no, just Alex, look, just I'll show it to you so you'll know.
Sorry.
Yeah, so this yellow stuff here is glue, so all these joints are glued. So what he did when he assembled this together, he turned it upside down and the glue trickled along the inside here and glued these treads shut. All these treads have been glued, so I can't. I can't.
Or maybe it was something from problem with it. I wasn't here. I wish I was here. He always comes on my days that I'm working. I'd rather be here when he comes. But,
No, that's broken. I'm just gonna go wash my hands.
Sorry?
Yeah, I got it open.
Oh, broke here. Yeah, you don't want that. You need one or you have it here?
I know, no, it's all good. It's all good.
Definitely paper. Some paper pieces were coming out.
I just hope we don't have to replace the drains again because, like, I find it very hard to put it back once all the treads have been glued together. That's the only thing I'm worried about here.
I hope not.
Yeah, 'cause I'm not.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's coming down and you gotta bring it up there, right?
Exactly.
Who's calling me? Nobody come and help me, right? There, so there's the back wall. Is it drains, right?
That's clear. Yeah, that's clear there.
Yeah, I think it's right behind the wall. Do you think that pipe runs? No, it goes down. It doesn't go on the other side of the...
Depends on the house. Typically they're all different.
It goes right down, right?
I don't know.
I think so. This is a toilet one, so It's connected to this, I mean, that shower one, it's connected to this one.
Okay.
I can't remember.
Come on, baby.
What are you doing? Who's here? Pipes not break in the back there, is it?
Huh?
The pipe won't break too down in the back.
I went about 30 feet maybe. So,
Oh no, I mean the pipe that you're sticking the thing in.
I don't know the anatomy of the building. Sorry,
No,
it might or might not. There we go.
it's gotta be another connection, right?
That's a hairball right there.
Where?
Do you have a dog?
Oh,
No, do you have a dog?
No.
Or a cat?
No. Really? Can I see it? Put it in here. I wanna itemize it. Let's see. Is it my hair maybe? Where's it coming from? No, I don't have animals in here. No! Son of a bitch! Yay! Is that liquid in here? What kind of stuff is this in here?
Just the liquid from the trap.
Is that dangerous?
And he needs to wash his hands, yeah.
Oh, Lord. Let's see. Is that the only thing you pulled out?
Yep, that's it.
Everything must have went down.
I guess so. I hope so.
Yeah, it's as opposed to with the paper because the dishwasher was just filled with it. That's when you became a men, some men. Supposed to watch their mother, dementia. Look like you bust my bun. But then those come around the paperwork. You have to,
If
of course.
it, yeah, but I'm just saying if
Yeah.
it keeps leaking on me, we're going to have to replace it.
I just don't spend a lot of money because I'm too much in debt.
I don't blame
Can't afford. You know, my worst nightmare is the plumbing in here, to be honest with you. The person that did it, you have no idea what I've been through.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
That's why I have no more trust. And I found this guy, at least he was honest.
Good.
Doesn't charge a lot. I was replacing the what's it called, the pump for the boiler, or the hot water. Every year.
The circulator.
Yeah, you know the boilers, right?
Yeah. Interesting, yeah.
And the two people building next door to me, now my cement's slumped on that side. So I don't know where I'm going. No, it doesn't stop. It's just one problem after another. I rebuilt to I could have more room. At the time it was better to rebuild than to revive because there's nothing really out there. In the 80s. Yeah. What, darling? What? Those are laces, yes. Are you tired?
Yeah. I think we're good.
I would like to see something there.
I don't know what it was, but it was definitely hair, anyway. Definitely hair. Somewhere, yeah. Somewhere.
But that was enough. Really important, I think, right? You don't need it. You always going around. Now, I hope you take Interact.
I take Interact. Yeah, we do, yeah. Well, I'm happy now we got success there.
Me too. That's a really good finding what fishes I didn't know which way to turn.
Was it backing up like immediately? It was.
What's that? Sorry?
It was.
So what happened was she was what are you doing upstairs that day?
I was cleaning out the traps of the...
Okay, so she was cleaning and I come in, I'm like, what the hell? I look around and I go, I see all this water pouring out of here.
Yeah.
Oh shit, really?
So I was like, what is this? I go, my God.
I was
So
right in the
guy
back.
starts screaming.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
Look what you've done now. And I only wanted to clean them.
Oh, grab him.
Again! Mommy. Stop. Oh, I'm good. I don't know what I'm going to do.
So you gotta watch him too, you know? You're 4 years old. When I was your age, I had a full-time job.
Yeah, so that's where the glue. Right there. Got in there.
I'm going to have to build a fence here. I can't do this. I don't know how many months.
No, people usually do that, right?
Who's coming here? What does he want here now?
That's funny.
So I'm in Florida.
I like it too.
I got a gun. Everybody's got a gun.
I like it.
Whatever we got guns, so we're out there, I can pull it apart. Guns pop in the back.
I think we're good here.